I'm gonna get down. You're not quick. Yo, why is there so much graffiti? You good? Any graffiti? There's 2 rooms, that's weird. Yo, that's a big ass manhole thing for such a small tunnel. We might as well. Come on. Okay, I'ma go.
Wait, let me go first.
And come on.
Anything?
Graffiti?
Is that a room?
Yeah, hold on, keep shining. We did, basically. No, we didn't. Oh, it gets a little wider.
He bounced.
No. This is wider a little bit, isn't it? Come on. Oh, there's it. How far do you want to go in here? Bro, if we brought paint markers, that would be cool.
Any bats?
Nope. Wait, maybe.